2012 Toyota Camry. We're gonna be testing an alternator. First of all, we got a really bad humming. I don't know if you can hear it, but as we can see right now, we're reading 12 and a half. The gauge is almost on the line. But when we put the lights on and the heater on, everything goes down really fast. Let's check. Okay, we put our flashers on, we put the headlights on, we put the heat on, we AC on, we put everything on, and now let's check how much is reading. And as we can see, it just dropped to 12, and the humming is getting louder. So if you see a car humming, most likely it's your alternator, not the battery.